Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer your Facebook data. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Facebook has made it easier to quit the social media platform. The company has rebuilt a tool that makes it easier to transfer data from Facebook to other services. The Transfer Your Information tool was launched in April to give users more control over their data. And how to do it if you want to transfer your Facebook information data? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can just tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. You can scroll down. There is on your information section, there is an option transfer a copy of your information. You can just tap on that. Tap on Continue. Tap on Next. You can select the information that you want to transfer. You can choose your photos and videos. This includes photos and video created by you and displayed on your selected profile. Or maybe you can custom transfer. You can choose from your photos, videos, post notes, and even I will choose your photo and videos. You can tap on Next. You can choose the destination. Where do you want to transfer your information? I will choose Google Photos. Tap on OK. Tap on Save. You can schedule frequently the time. Maybe you want to transfer your Facebook information once a day for 1 year, maybe once a month for 2 years, or maybe once a year for 3 years. I will choose one time. And here. Now you can tap on Next. Tap on Connect. You can choose your browser. Choose your email. You can tap on Continue to give permission, to give access. Now you can tap on Start Transfer. You've started a transfer to Google Photos. It may take some time to finish your transfer, so Facebook will let you to know when it's done. Facebook will also email updates for this transfer to your email that you connect. Now you can tap on Done. You can see the transfer activity on here. You can see your current transfer and view the past transfer. You can tap on Next. Now you can just tap on Done. So now you just need to wait until Facebook notify you if you finish your transfer. It's so simple, right? So that is how to transfer your data information on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.